Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kraken account using your Kraken app on your mobile device. First of all, launch open the Kraken app on your Android or iOS, and once you're inside the home page, you'll see the login or the sign in and create account button. To log into your account, click on sign in. Now on the next page, it'll ask you to enter your email or username. Type it down in the text box. After you do that, go ahead and type in your password on the next field. Finally, go ahead and click continue. If you don't remember your credential, you can tap on forgot password or username at the bottom and follow through the instructions. If your credential is correct, you will then be able to log into your Kraken account quickly and easily. So there you have it. That's how super easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.